Here at the Warbirds of Glory Museum, we are restoring the World War II B-25 Mitchell Bomber known as Sandbar Mitchell. We have a student program that gets them involved in trade skills through the restoration of our aircraft. We do everything from metal fabrication to CAD/CAM, CNC operation, tool forming, as well as all the general basic aviation maintenance techniques used to restore and rebuild airplanes. We've used a couple different forms of laser technology here at the museum. One, to track the outlines of sheet metal parts to compare them to our CAD models, and actually 3D scanning parts that are more complex to be able to take stuff that is damaged from corrosion and actually go ahead and put it into our CAD/CAM models, so that way we can reproduce the dies and flat forms to actually manufacture the new parts for the aircraft. Having the Leap ST here at the museum is huge for our students because it allows the kids to learn the newer technology, but it also helps us with reverse engineering a lot of these parts that we actually have to go ahead and remake from scratch. The data that we're getting from the new Leap ST is phenomenal. The parts are coming out absolutely beautiful. Having those 5 different modes in the handheld scanner allows us to do all different types of scanning of the parts. So that way we can choose what mode we want to do when we scan the part to get the best outcome for our CAD models.